Hello and welcome to my ClickFunnels review where I'm going to be talking to you what I like about this software, some of the pros and cons, and of course, if it's going to be worth it. Spoiler alert, I certainly do think that it's worth it. I will also put a link down below if you want to try it out. They do come with a free 14-day trial. Now keep in mind, this review is based upon the fact I've been using them for a very long time. In fact, the earliest receipt that they show is from 2016. However, I started in 2015 because I had purchased an annual plan for funnel hacks at the time. But either way, I've been using them for a very long time, and this review has come from lots of landing page and sales funnel creations. So let's talk about that process. Overall, creating landing pages is pretty simple process. When you go to get started, you have the option of choosing from many of the funnel templates that they actually have for you, such as like a squeeze page, which is pretty basic, hero funnels, application funnels, lead magnet funnels, daily deal funnels, video sales letters, membership funnels, invisible funnels, product launch funnels. I think you get the idea. This is just a very small aspect of what comes with ClickFunnels. Usually whenever I create one, I like going to the classic funnel builder. For example, I want to collect emails or sell a product. In fact, I'm going to show you two examples of just funnels I put together, and more so how about using them and the simplicity and effectiveness when it comes to ClickFunnels. So first and foremost, this is just going to be a simple two-step opt-in. This isn't something that I created and optimized. It's more about giving you an idea about how this works inside their page editor. So in terms of simplicity and ease of use, ClickFunnels definitely gets a very big thumbs up, especially for the fact they've been around a long time. There's been a lot of competitors that come out, and I've noticed a lot of them, some of them have been just as good in terms of the quality, and a lot of them haven't been. So ClickFunnels has been very consistent with keeping it pretty easy for you to use. Now, this is a drag and drop editor, so it's pretty much whatever you want or don't want, you click on it, and that's what you can edit. So if I wanted to change this, free ebook for you. And if I wanted to get rid of this, for example, let's say I don't like using the name section here, I can go to delete, yes, I don't want that. Thank you very much. Maybe I want to change this around. In the beginning, there will be a slight learning curve. It happens with a lot of software. I'm trying to type and talk at the same time, but usually when you click on something, it's going to show you all the actions, like set action. Like whenever they click on this, you can show or hide something. They can go to a website URL. You can submit form. Like if obviously this is going to be for getting an email, change around the font size. These are all the small little details that you can change around when it comes to the themes. These are very minor things, but they're cool if you want to really, edit things around. For example, this template came from then. Let's not do that. Let's just put 2022. You can link to wherever you want to go. So for example, if you want to edit that, website.com/about, something like that, and then save that and so on and so forth. But it is pretty cool. I always recommend getting started with templates. I do agree that if you started with a blank page, it's going to be a little bit more challenging, especially if you've never used ClickFunnels. But in my recommendation, what I recommend you do is that you start with a template. They have plenty to choose from when it comes to all the landing pages. And then of course you can edit around the elements, the columns, and all the stuff that it comes with. These are going to be the main settings. So like Facebook pixels, they have tracking codes, background. So if you don't like the background, this is just a picture. So you can always remove that or just put a background color, basic stuff like that. In my recommendation also, the simpler your landing page and funnels is, the better it's going to be for you and your customers. Okay. If there's a lot of things that someone has to do in terms of just say generating leads like this, it's going to be much harder for them to take action. Okay. So that's an example of just, creating using the drag and drop builder. You can take something, move it up and down like that. Like I said, that's why it is a drag and drop. But let's take a look at a little bit bigger funnel and some of the cool aspects about it. So we have the squeeze page, the sales page, order form, order confirmation, and a thank you page. What you can also do, this is also going to be all about steps. So obviously someone has a squeeze page, they see this, they opt in, they go to your sales page. Hopefully they're like, I really want to buy this. They click on the, add to cart, then they get taken to your order form. Here are just a few examples as well of the templates that you can choose for the order forms. Once again, I like simple. These two are some of my favorite. I'm going to go with this. And one of my favorite features in ClickFunnels is something that people don't really talk about all that much. It's one of the biggest reasons why I got started. I'm going to click on edit page here. And what I'm referring to is going to be the order bump. Now, order bump is an additional offer that you can add on your checkout page. So when someone's paying with a card, all they have to do is check off this and it dynamically gets updated. You can obviously add your products in the back so that when they click on it, it'll add, adds to cart. So you have your original product. It's like pretty much an upsell, and all they have to do is click on one button. The first time I tried this out, I was like, this is going to do really well. I have a feeling. Just the first time putting it out there, I had like a PDF for $7 and I added the video training. Like, hey, would you like to watch over my shoulder as I guide you through the process? I think it was $17 or $19, and 33% of my customers actually took it, which is pretty much a very easy way to increase your sales, especially for the fact that it's something really related. Keep that in mind. That's what an upsell is for, right? It's not going to be the same thing as, because that wouldn't make sense. You don't want to do that. It's kind of like when you go to McDonald's, they say, would you like fries with that? Sure, of course. Yes, I will take it. That's an aspect I really like. Another aspect that's going to be great are the one-click upsells. So you can actually add a new step. I'm going to type this in. Okay, and then I'm going to create that funnel step. Okay, now that we're here, there's going to be plenty. Let me just kind of go through the templates. There's email opt-ins, thank yous. These are all templates for different sections, webinars, membership, click pops, and a bunch of miscellaneous. But for this example, let's just say we're going to do, sure, this looks cool. One-click upsells are great because the person already has their information in there and all they have to do is click a button to get one more sale. So you put this after the order form. So after they pay, you say like, hey, there's one more offer if you'd like to add a neat big product to your cart, as it says right here, something like that. And all they would need to do is click on this to add to the order for just $29. This saves a ton of time, effort, and helps you in terms of being able to make more sales. And it makes your life easier for the customers because all they have to do is click a button instead of adding in all of their information again, which is always a good thing. So that's a really good feature when it comes to ClickFunnels. Now, I kind of want to give you my thoughts in terms of ClickFunnels. We can play this, make sure the sound's off. Cool, just for background. So I want to give you my thoughts in terms, I really like ClickFunnels. They are one of my favorite sales funnel tools. Like if there's a top 3, they're easily in that list. I really like them. I've been with them for a long time. Their landing pages are very simple to use, especially when you combine them with templates. They have a lot of great features that can really help increase your revenue, like I talked about when it comes to the order bumps, the one-click upsells. They have webinars, so you can do webinars as well if you'd like to do that. And don't forget the fact that they're only $97 a month, which isn't that much when you consider a tool that can help pretty much run almost your entire online business. When it comes to cons, I do have to say that their membership area could be a little bit better. I've used it. It gets the job done, but I'd like a little bit more customization and look when it comes to my membership area. The good news is that ClickFunnels is currently working on their 2.0 version when I'm creating this, so that they're really going to work on a lot of the parts where that need a little bit more increasing. They're going to add a lot of great features to that, so ClickFunnels is only going to be getting better, and given the fact that it's already really good in the first place, that's good news for you and me. So all in all, do I recommend ClickFunnels? Absolutely. I've been with them for a long time. I like them. They're one of my favorite tools, and that's why I recommend them to you as well. Don't forget that they do have a free 14-day trial, so you can check that out with the link down below. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below and I can help you out with that. But aside from that, thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoy ClickFunnels as much as I do and as much as everyone on the screen right there.